Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted, and today we are working in my black, schmutz there, working in my black binder. This is all different long-term sinking funds. So, yay. We've got $100 that we're playing with, and this one I just start where we left off and we go through it. So, we are going to pick up, let's move that out of the way. We are going to start out right here. We'll probably do about $10-ish on each game. This one is our chilly little savings. This is from Janelle Ray Budgets. I got it off of her Etsy account. And this one is going towards my husband's PTO fund, or for vacation and sick days. So let's roll a six-sided die and see where we're going to scratch. We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These ones are so nice and smooth, but my vacuum scratches them up, so they don't look all that pretty anymore. All right, we've got $1. This one's going to save us $100 total when we're all done. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, a 5. Nice. I like this one. It's a good one if you want to save for $100, but you want smaller amounts. I think 5 is like the most that it has. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, nice. And another 5. So let's put that 5 back. And I got a 10. We've got another 10 here. Maybe. For a 20. All right, let me get this cleaned up real quick. All right, and let's see what we're up to now. We now have 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. We're almost there. Probably a couple more go-arounds in this one. Next up, we have a new edition. This is from Budgeting with a Ginger, and it's going to save us $80, and this is going towards vacation, because vacation savings is one of my main goals for this year, is to prioritize it. So 2, 1, 2, and Brittany likes the spicy numbers, so yep, we only usually do 1 to start out. So $12 to get us started. Hope everybody had themselves a wonderful weekend. This is going to be posted on Monday, so that'll be my first day back to work after being off for a week. Ugh, I'm not excited about it. All right, this one is from Doodle Dollarz, and this is going to save us $35. I did purchase this off of her Etsy account, and this is going to go to our month ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish it because we've only got 3 left. So we got 6. 4, so let's put that 6 back and grab a 10, and 5. I just love this one. It's so darn cute. I will definitely be re-stickering and using this one again because it's just so much fun. But it's got $20, $30, $35, so that'll be super nice to add into our month ahead next time. So 1 finished, yay. That'll probably be the only one we are finishing today, but that is all right. Next up, we've got this one from The Secret Budgeter. This is a freebie on her coffee account, and it is Bob's Burgers themed, so it's fun. But let's go ahead, start here at start, and see what we're going to... Actually, let's roll a D4 for this one. I guess it doesn't really matter, but 1. So we've got Tina. And let's go odd or even. I got an odd. $1. Where to next? 2. 1, 2. We got the whole Bob's Burgers gang. Nice. I like that we're hitting them this time. Last time it felt like we didn't get too many of these. So let's see. 2. All right, that one is roll a D4. 1. Oh, I was hoping for something bigger than that. All right, where to next? 3. 1, 2, 3. So $2. Let's go with a lime green. Three. 1, 2, 3 for $1. All right, we've only added 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we've added so far. So this one is definitely another good one if you want something that's not too high budget. So 1, 2, 3. So we've got Tina again. Ooh, we're going to finish Tina's today with $1. So that one is complete. So we can cross that one off, maybe. You know what? Actually, I'm going to tuck it here in the front. That way it's not mixed in with our stuff, and we can cross Tina's Dancing Queen off. 3. 1, 2, 3 for $3. And then let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 3. Okay. We got one more left on there. So 3, 4, 5. And a 5 is 10. And a 10 is 20. So 20, 21, $22. Nice. And we still got a lot of this stuff left. All right, next up, we are going to jump into our book over here. And we've got our magic numbers. So let's go ahead and roll a D10. This one is from IndigoMoonBudgets. And what is this going towards? This is going towards taxes. So we definitely got to get going on this one. Taxes are coming. 2. So we already did that too. So let's do this one down here. So $2. And we're going to go again. A 1. Okay, that one's purple. Come on, let's get some big numbers in here. Got a 5. That one is also purple. Let's see, what else can I get? Another 1. Okay. At this rate, we're going to be out of 1s in no time. All right. And a 7. We already did that one, so let's do this one. We need a pink. Let's go hot pink. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're adding $16 in today. Nice. And let's see what that puts us up to. All right, we've got 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, $34 in our magic numbers. All right, next. We've got our New Year, New Me. And this is a collab between Buttercup Budgets, Lil's World 733, and ShadesBudgets. So we need 2 6-sided die. Well, I don't know where my other colorful one is. I'm not seeing it, so we'll do a black one. So let's go. Well, you know what? It doesn't really matter. We've got 3 by 6. We've already got that one, so 6 by 3. We also already have that one, so we'll pay $1. All right, 6 by 4 we already have, and we've already done 4 by 6. Okay, come on now, give us something we haven't had yet. 6 by 4 again. You know what, I'm not doing that one twice. We've already done it today. 6 by 1 we already have. 1 by 6 we haven't done that one yet. Got some barbells. And that is $1. I need a different color because I can hardly see that. There we go. We'll do a hot pink on there. So $1 for the barbells. All right. 5 by 3 we already have. 3 by 5 we already have. Come on now. All right. 2 by 3. We got a piggy bank. Nice. That is $4. Put one back and grab a 5. Two by 1. We got ourselves some face creams and lotions there. And that is worth $2. Let's go at least one more time. 1 by 3 we already have. 3 by 1. We haven't done that one yet. All right. Money bag. $6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop, just one of those. So we have 10, 15, $16. Nice. Oh, that's what we're adding. Let's see what we're up to. So now we are at $50, $70, $80, $85, $86 on this one. And we have got a few more left. I didn't mean for some of these to be year-long, but looks like they're gonna be. All right, next up. Okay, next up we have our Lucky Leprechaun. And looks like this is where we left off. Looks like we did kind of a pinky purple color last time. So let's go. What color? Let's go with this like kind of dusty green color and see what we're gonna get. This is from Nurse Court Budgets. 2, 1, 2. So $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $2. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1. Okay, so we're going to have to just owe ourselves that dollar. So we got 9 there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another $1. That should put us up to 10. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And then let's go ahead and stop there, I think, on this one. So we're adding $10. Our money didn't go as far as I thought it would. We're not even going to make it fully through the game, but that's okay. So our Lucky Leprechaun game is going towards our backyard, and it now has $20, $40, $50, $51. Nice. And then last but not least, we've got our Let's Ditch That Debt. And we're going to do our dusty green color today. Well, I don't know, because we did a green last time. So let's go. We haven't done like a purpley color in a while. So let's do this purple. All right, let's see what we're going to get. We've got $8 here, so 6. So let's do a 5 and a 1 for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leaves us with $2. So we're going to do a 2. Let me get these colored in, and then we'll see what we've got. All right, let's see what we're now up to in our Let's Ditch That Debt. This is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. It's a freebie on her coffee account, and it's going to save us a total of $6.75 when we're all done. But when we hit 100, we're going to pull that 100 and put it on our debt. So we have 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. We're getting awfully close to our first payment on debt with this one. So not too bad, friends. And then we're going to go ahead and start next time On this one, you can't make everybody happy. You aren't a balloon animal, from Pink Plum Budgets. And we didn't get to this one today, so like I said, that's where we will pick up next time we're in the black binder. But alrighty, friends, that is gonna complete it for us today. We did finish one. Yay. It's officially summer too, so it's perfect time to get the spring one out of here. It has been very toasty. Alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.